This is Mr. W from Sciencemusicvideos.com. In this video, you're going to learn how to study with the electronic flashcards I've written for you so that you can get a 4 or a 5 on the AP Bio exam. So get ready to do AP Bio Review! If you're watching this video, then you're on a quest to score a 4 or a 5 on this year's AP Bio exam. That quest is so worth it. You're going to feel so proud of yourself when you get that score. And my job is to be your guide in helping you get there. The way to get access to these flashcards is to click the link in the description below or in the card above. That'll take you to the BIOMANIA page at Sciencemusicvideos.com, my AP Biology website, where you can register and subscribe. I've set it up so you can easily pay with PayPal. These flashcards cover all 8 AP Bio topics. Whenever possible, you should study as many topics as you can within the same session. That's because mixing up content promotes the most learning. But you can also focus on any single topic or any combination of topics. When you're done making your selection, click Begin Practice. The main message I have for you is to slow down. Master each card before going on to the next one. Here's how. First, look carefully at the question. That's practice for something that's very important on the AP Bio test, which is read the prompt. Think about the answer and then say the answer out loud. Why say it? Well, remember, on the AP Bio test, you have to get what you know out of your head and down on paper. You don't want to walk out of the test thinking, I knew it, but I just couldn't get the answer down. So you can't just think it. You have to do something. If you write down bullet points, that's even better. One possibility is that you might have a lot to say in response to the question. Good for you. If that's the case, click Check Answer. Carefully read what I wrote on the other side. If what you said or wrote matches up in terms of detail and accuracy with what I wrote, then click Got It and go on to the next card. At some point, you'll get to a question to which you don't know how to respond, or you might respond incorrectly. A good rule of thumb with flashcards is that if you can't start to produce an answer within 3 or 4 seconds after seeing the front side, you probably have some work to do. After all, the AP Bio test is a timed test. You have to train yourself to generate quick and accurate responses. Now, many of us, when we're confronted with gaps in our knowledge, especially in the context of a looming high-pressure test like the AP Bio exam, can start to feel pretty negative. You might start to think, what's wrong with me? Why didn't I get that right? I can't do this. Those thoughts and feelings don't promote learning. Everybody has gaps in their knowledge. Everybody makes mistakes. Discovering your gaps and filling them in is how you're going to set yourself up for a 4 or a 5 on the AP exam. So getting a card that you're not sure of is a good thing. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to notice that you had those negative thoughts and feelings, and then you're going to calmly say to yourself, I can do this. I just have to keep moving forward. I am going to learn some B-I-O-L-O-G-Y. B-I-O-L-O-G-Y. Then you're going to take a careful look at the answer on the other side of the card. It might help you to read it aloud. Then flip back to the question side. Read the question again. Take a breath and say the answer. Now compare what you said the second time to what I wrote. The second time there should be a closer match. Keep repeating this until you really know that card. Work to mastery on each card. Once you're at the point of mastery, there's another key move. You weren't at a mastery level the first time, so you're going to need more practice. Click the Need More Practice button. That'll put this card back into the stack so that you can practice it later. When you next see it, if you really crush it, then and only then should you consider clicking Got It. To access these flashcards, use the link in the description below or the card above to go to the BIOMANIA page on Sciencemusicvideos.com. Fill out this form to register and then pay with PayPal. Then click the link for the AP Biology Review flashcards. I want you to spend anywhere from a few minutes to a half an hour today reviewing flashcards. You're not going to believe how much you're going to learn. Master each card. I totally believe in you. You've listened all the way to the end of this video about AP Bio flashcards, so you must be pretty motivated. All you need to do is devote the time and energy to make it happen. Start your journey to a 4 or a 5 now. In the next video, we'll talk about how to learn from my
multiple choice questions.
I love getting comments and questions, and I usually respond to them. So please leave me a comment or a question below, and please subscribe to my channel, Science Music Videos. I'm going to be posting several more videos about AP Bio Review, and you're not going to want to miss them. So use the link below or the card above to start working on those flashcards. I'll see you here in my next video. Thank you so much.
Welcome, I'm so happy you came by for a lesson about the essence of BIOLOGY. DNA is a topic that's so fantastic. We're talking about deoxyribonucleic acid. If you've ever wondered about development in elephants and bumblebees, coffee trees, well, DNA's the recipe. In its home, in a chromosome in the nucleus, DNA drives the bus genetically controlling us. In ferns and worms, infectious germs, mommy's egg and daddy's sperm, DNA's the information linking up the generations. It's a code of life, so listen up well, cause DNA's the molecule in charge of every cell. DNA, fantastic, deoxyribonucleic acid. We're talking about deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA, fantastic. The shape is key, probably well known.